Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion this generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the fuse for the telematic control unit is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video, guys. So that will be, guys, our mission to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now, in addition, guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money, guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses, so if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, the telematic control unit fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Fusion right here. You have multiple fuse boxes, some of them are very hidden. We'll recommend to check the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Ford Fusion. Come to the driver's side, guys. Under the dash, you see that trim on the lower, the part of the dash extends to the other side of the steering wheel. It attaches with 4 clips underneath, one here, one there, 2 like that on the other side of the steering wheel. Pull from top to bottom, it opens. Deep inside the dash on the left side, you're going to find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing, guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. For the telematic control unit, guys, we need to check one fuse only. Quick piece of advice: these double fuses, keep some spare ones, they're hard to find. We needed a replacement back in the day and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because we couldn't get one. Here, guys, okay, the fuse numbers will be listed next to them, and here where it says fuse number 11, that will be fuse number actually 10 and 11. This is 2 fuses integrated in one, but that portion here, fuse number 10, that's the one that we need. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.